Okay, 1st of March, Rudy here. Bit of a weekend gold, silver, oil update. Sure you've all heard the news. So just add some new news, just some more bullish news for gold and silver. India have just allowed their equity funds, so like their managed equity funds, to allocate up to 35% into gold and silver. So that's like telling our VAS or VAS you can allocate gold and silver. And you know the Indians, they love their gold. Record inputs last year. Imports, not inputs, really. So did the gold price know what was going on? So that looks pretty bullish to me. So hopefully you're set in some gold related investments, including in your super fund. Like even Australian super, you can buy gold miners and silver. For paying members, don't worry, I'll be doing a video after this one. Just keeping you all where should we be deploying any saved up cash, because we're already in most of this stuff already. So Aussie dollar gold, so that'll more than likely be heading upwards. Just a reminder from our friends here, Livewire the other week, saying sell gold. Okay, so where I think the best leverage is going to be is the gold miners. So this is the global gold miners index. Yes, it's high, but it's going to go a lot higher. Why do I say that? If we do the ratio of the gold miners over the gold price, and just come back a bit so we get a big picture. Maybe we'll do monthly chart, Rudy. Okay, there we go. So you can see the gold miners and the gold price have been pretty much trading in line, and it's only now that the gold miners are starting to break out against the gold price. So I'd be tilting towards gold miners. If we look at the gold miners over the S&P 500, so we can see while you have your money in the American share markets, and you got the gold miners about to kick their ass. Okay, so that's gold. Well, what about your girlfriend, Rudy? Okay, silver. So let's have a look at what's happening with her. Okay, so it was interesting the other day how they closed down COMEX. On Thursday, I think it was. Let the shorts maybe cover. They knew a war was coming. Let the shorts do some backyard behind the room deals to cover their positions or whatever. Anyway, silver. She's off. We were initially we were buying back here, and then topping up around here. And I prefer silver. Why? Why, Rudy? Why I prefer silver? Because of this ratio here, the gold to silver ratio. Okay, so this is when you wanted to sell your gold and buy your silver. Up here, and it's going to come, so this is back to the 1970s, you can see down to here, so it gets to 20 to 1, but I reckon it will come down to 8 to 1. So currently we're at 56 to 1. You can see it's starting to head back down, so that means silver will outperform gold. And because it's mined in a ratio of 8 to 1, there's no reason why it shouldn't get back down there, which means silver's going to kick gold's ass. So hence you want to be in silver miners, not gold miners. Okay. $10 a month, you can join the channel. Really, US and ASX ETF shares. We're already loaded, but there's still plenty of time to go. And we'll just finish off with the oil price. So the oil price, so this is all action before the war, so I shouldn't call it a war, whatever it is, the bombings. But you can see the oil price sort of knew it was forming this big base here, knew something was happening. Maybe they thought it was going to happen back here. Said no, maybe last week. These are weekly candles. No, okay. Okay, and so, oh yeah. So this is my favourite exposure, favourite ETF. I've hidden the name, obviously, because you need to subscribe to find out. And look at that, poking its head up from a base before it used to be up here. Join the channel, find out what it is. And interestingly, the oil price is now breaking out against the S&P 500. So not only are the gold miners going to kick the S&P 500's ass, just investing in a barrel of oil is going to outperform the S&P 500 here. So hopefully your portfolio is positioned for all this. We have been for a while, and this is only just beginning. All right, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and subscribers, I'll be doing a video after this one. So no trade secrets in the messages. So